So Kelly has a subluxation in her spine, and again, that's when the brain and the body aren't communicating because the spine itself is interfering with that nerve impulse. What we're going to do is a traditional adjustment in Kelly's cervical spine, specifically in the upper cervical area. So I'm going to move that really quickly, and there's going to be a pop in her cervical spine. There's no ligaments tearing, there's no joints tearing, nothing's being broken. We're simply expanding a joint that has fluid in it, and that fluid expands. When that fluid expands, a gas comes out of the fluid, and you have this temporary popping sound. It's very safe, it's very effective, and that's a traditional way of adjusting. This is one of the options available here. So, Kelly, if you just wiggle your toes for me. It's as simple as that.